Either way. Shit. Shit. उधर भी करनी है. Holy. Oh.
7th floor. This is my apartment after the earthquake. I am on 7th floor in Wellington.
Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go home.
Holy.
이번 거 너무 긴데? 도망쳐야겠다 우리 지금.
우선 나갈까 우리?
나가자.
그래? 나가 있자. 빨리 나가자. 야.
이거는 좀 너무 세도 너무 길다.
I was had just actually laid down on my bed, sort of thinking about getting ready for bed, and all of a sudden the bed started wobbling, and it got more and more sort of intense. And I thought, okay, this is getting a bit serious. And yeah, it continued on and on and on. Yeah, and it sort of got quite concerning.
We're looking at some of the videos that you managed to take during the incident. What exactly can we see in those pictures?
That's actually our dining, our kitchen fluoro light, which hangs over our kitchen bench. And yeah, she had a good sway on it. I was actually, the earthquake continued for probably a good 2 minutes, possibly even 3 minutes. That's how long it was. I believe there were possibly two sort of back to back. And it allowed me enough time to actually send out a tweet or two whilst the earthquake continued. And we had just one only just a moment ago. I believe it was about a 6.1, and it was only about 5 minutes ago. They're still coming.